today I'm making a seafood boil.
So show them what you have. Put in there already.
I put crab legs in.
So she put the crabs in here, and now she's about to put the Louisiana crawfish. Do you eat crawfish? All right, pour it in there.
Ooh.
What does it smell like? Don't waste it. Okay, you gotta.
Y'all about to get eaten.
Pour it all up in there.
That's the dookie juice.
Oh no, dude.
No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am.
Oh no, dude, shit, man. All right, so now we're about to put the potatoes. Look at the potatoes. Boy, I get
The potato.
add the potatoes, girlfriend. Potatoes. Guys, we got corn, sausage, shrimp, all that, but they don't go in this. They don't go in this pot. Right now, Ty's finna wash all this stuff off and then add some fresh water, butter, and her seasonings. I'm gonna let her season it. You think you can handle that? All right, guys.
Put all the seasonings in.
Show them one by one what you're using. Seasoned salt.
Seasoned salt.
Creole seasoning. Oh.
Creole seasoning.
What else? Cayenne pepper.
Cayenne pepper. Butter.
That's not butter, but. And lemon pepper Cajun seasoning.
Lemon pepper Cajun seasoning.
All right, go ahead. Start adding it in. Start with. Yep, go ahead. There you go. Yo, it's not gonna be tasting like nothing. That's over time. All right, that should be enough of that. I don't really like that, but you can add that.
This.
Yep. Seasoned salt. Y'all, this is really good in the seafood boils. Yeah, don't be shy with her. She's cool. Go everywhere. All right, add the other seasoning. Cayenne pepper, that's spicy. Go ahead. Go everywhere. All right, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Y'all, don't put your nose in it. All right, here you go. Add your butter sticks. Guys, she's now about to add her butter.
Butter.
She's gonna add her butter sticks.
All of them?
Just about like two or three. Until it comes to a boil. Oh, I'm finna sneeze, y'all. We're gonna do 2 for right now, baby. And then I'm gonna let you add the rest. Going on now, Steve?
Next, corn time.
Oh, she just tried to crack a corn. Y'all, the crab legs and crawfish and potatoes, they are all in the same pot cooking right now. So yeah, so I'm gonna come back when Ty done. Ty cut the sausages with a butter knife, and I was right here to supervise her. Not for real, y'all. She cut the sausages with a butter knife. She did a good job. She did it all by herself too, guys. Oh yeah, guys, hold on. Ty, you seasoned the mess out of this corn. It looks good. Hold on, y'all. She had her seasoning cup, parsley seasoning. Then we got this seasoning over here. Everything looking too good right now. Now, we about to do the shrimp. What to do now?
I'm about to put this up in here and wash it with cold water.
Go ahead. I think it's frozen, so you probably don't even need to put it in there. But you can, though. It's okay. Pour it in the sink, baby. Go ahead. Get this clean. All right. Clean it with the cold water.
Cold water.
Yep. Mix it all around. Now Ty is going to season her shrimp with her seasoning that she got over there. Yes, Ty. Oh yeah, Tyana is scared of crawfish. This might just found it out. But
I
yeah,
don't want crawfish because nobody ain't gonna crack it. Now I know what it cracked in.
I can show you.
so y'all,
Ugh.
the corn, sausage, and here is Thai's seafood boil. Turner, how you think you did?
Good.
Y'all rate down, comment down below how y'all think she did. The crawfish that she gon' eat. Crab legs that she gon' eat. See, so she got shrimp, sausage, corn, crab, imitation crab. What you call this again?
Shrimp.
That.
Crawfish.
Crawfish and crab legs. So yeah. Time to do a taste test.
Tested.
Good, so enjoy the video.
My name is Ty, and I just turned